Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free simple and private file sharing app that requires no installation for computer and smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, on your respective computer or smartphone, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as Wormhole. On the first list, you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see its official website. So it's a very straightforward website. So you can see here, select file to send, or you can directly drag and drop the respective image file here. So let me drag it directly here. So now it will create one link. You can either copy and send, or you can show the QR code also. And below you can see here, you can set the respective time when the file will get deleted. So you can select when the files to be deleted, or you can select the respective download numbers. So I just want it one download. After that, it will get auto deleted from this respective website. So I will select this show QR code. So it will show the QR code. Now on my respective smartphone or computer, let me open the camera application. Now you can see here, it's auto detected the link. So let me click on this website link. Now you can see here download file option. So just click on this download file option. So now you can see on the sender, you are getting a message. The file has been permanently deleted since I have downloaded it. So I have set it after one download, the uploaded files will get deleted. Now I have received a file. So you can see here the received file. So similarly, from smartphones to computers, or from computers to smartphones, or from computer to computer, or smartphone to smartphone, you can apply the same tricks. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free, simple and private file sharing app that requires no installation for computer and smartphone, that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.